So this is the sample question of 2021-22. My dear students, we are going to discuss regarding the sample question for the term on business studies. Just look at that, the same pattern. The question paper includes three different sections. Section A includes 24 questions. The students have to attempt 20 questions. Section B includes the same 24 questions and the students can attempt any 20 questions. Section C includes 12 questions. Students can attempt any 10 questions. So we are going to read the first question and we can find out what will be the answer and also what is the nature of the question. Just look at the question. It is an MCQ question. What distinguishes a successful manager from a less successful one is the ability to put the principle into practice. Which aspect of nature of management is highlighted in the above statement? You can read the options. Management as a science, management as an art, management as a profession, management is an intangible force. You have learned in detail the concept of management as a science, art, profession. So here it is giving more importance. Distinguishes a successful manager from a less successful on the ability. That is related to answer management as an art. Ability, the personalized application skill, it will be different from one to another. So the answer we can choose, it is B. All of you please read the statements. Any doubt regarding that, you please ask. Second question, Dash provides a rational approach for setting objectives and developing appropriate course of action for achieving predetermined objectives. You know very well, the explanation it is regarding one of the important and primary managerial function and the answer it is related to planning. Planning is given in the explanation. Steps in a summarized mode, the answer is given planning. I hope it is clear. Marketing mix is the set of dash. Another MCQ question. Marketing mix is the set of dash that the firm uses to pursue its marketing objectives in the target market. A question from that area, marketing management. So here the answer is related to marketing mix is the set of what? It is the set of marketing tools. Marketing tools. Marketing tools include all that types, selling tools, production tools, promotion tools, like that. So C is the most suitable answer. Another MCQ question, fourth one, which level of management is responsible for the welfare and survival of the organization? You know this question is from the first chapter, nature and significance of management. You know which level of management is responsible for the welfare and the survival of the organization? You know very well, the top management is taking a very planning and decision making policies. So they are responsible for the welfare and survival of the organization. So answer is top level management. Name the principle of management given by Fayol, which when applied would mean that workers and management both honor their commitments without any prejudice towards one another. So which principle is mentioned here? The workers and management both honor their commitments. Both are showing the disciplined attitude, isn't it? So the answer it is A, discipline. Then another question from the area marketing management. A brand or part of the brand that is given legal protection is called, you know very well, brand mark or brand name. All the things are different. Trademark is only giving legal protection. When the brand name or brand mark is registered, then it is getting legal protection and it is known as trademark. Seventh question, identify dimension of the characteristics of management It is multidimensional, which specifies that the task of management is to make the strength of human resources effective and their weakness irrelevant towards achieving the organizational objectives. So they are giving a statement, detailed statement regarding one of the features of management, and here what is the objective they are achieving. Which one is that? Which one is the right answer? What they are explaining through that statement. Especially we have to give more importance for to make the strength of human resources effective and their weakness irrelevant. So they are mentioning about the management of people in an organization. That is also from the first chapter. Then 8th question, Dash involves a variety of programs designed to promote and protect a company's image and its individual product in the eyes of public. That is the question from marketing management. Dash involves a variety of programs designed to promote and protect a company's image and its individual product in the eyes of public. Remember that point, we have to give more importance. So based on that, we can find the answer. It is public relation. That is more giving importance for the programs. Which type of organizational structure will you suggest for a firm which has diversified activities and operations requiring a high degree of specialization? You know the two type of organizational structure we have learned, functional structure and the divisional structure. Here we have to give the words, keywords, importance for that, diversified activities and operations. So if that is more important, we are giving more importance for that. Functional structure is most suitable. If we are giving more importance for variety of product, then we can select divisional structure. Okay. So I hope it is clear. Then 10th question. Changes or events cannot be eliminated, but they can be anticipated, and managerial responses to them can be developed is suggested by following importance of planning. So what is the answer mentioned here? Suggested by the following importance of planning. Which one is the most suitable towards that statement? Eliminate. Events cannot be eliminated, but they can be anticipated. So it is related to the last one. Planning reduces the risk of uncertainty, isn't it? It can be reduced to planning. The risk can be that we can't able to completely eliminate that things, but we can anticipate and try to stop up to the certain limit. So that question is from the chapter planning. Then 11th, grouping similar nature job into larger units called departments. Another question from the chapter organizing is the step in the process of one of the functions of management. Identify the function. You know very well, when we are forming organizational departments, we are bringing similar nature like that. If we want to create a production department, similar work related to production of products, we will bring under one umbrella. So here the answer, it is organizing, B. 12th question, the statement planning is a primary function suggests that. So another question from the chapter planning. So planning is a primary function we are learning as a feature of planning. Here it is what they want to get the most suitable answer from the following four attributes. First one is the right answer. Planning precedes other function because it is the first and primary function. We are thinking, preparing plans and policies, creating budgets, all that things. After only other functions comes. So it precedes other functions like organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. 13th question. A major decision area under one of the function of marketing is the decision regarding marketing intermediaries to be used. Name the function. The question, it is related to marketing management. Find out the most suitable answer from the following four options. Major decision area, where they are giving more importance for selecting the intermediaries. You know very well, when the product are distributed the different channels, we can choose 0 level, 1 level, 2 level, 3 level intermediaries. So here they are explaining about the concept of marketing physical distribution. So A is the answer. The nature of the relationship of our country with the foreign countries is a major element of which of the following components of the business environment. So you have to remember, relationship of one country with another country is related to which element of business or which component of business environment. You know, the relation between two different countries, it is developed through political system of a particular country, isn't it? So we can select the answer political environment. Okay, I hope it is clear. Then 15th question, which of the following statement is incorrect? That also from the area marketing management. Find the best answer from that. Marketing is a social process. Focus of marketing activities is on customer needs. Marketing is merely a post-production activity. Marketing mix is a wider term than product mix. Actually, we have to find out the incorrect one, isn't it? Marketing is merely a post-production activity. It is the incorrect one. Others are related to marketing management features and importance. Then another question from planning. Planning is closely connected with dash and dash. Find the best answer from the four options. Planning is closely connected with the dash and dash. Well, either it is responsibility and accountability, delegation and decentralization, stability and security. Responsibility and accountability, it is related to organizing. Delegation and decentralization also related to organizing. But this last one, creativity and innovation, that is based on planning, isn't it? Every person's creativity and innovation, the relationship is closely related to planning. Okay. So remember that. Then 17th question, dash is an important function of marketing which is important not only for protection of the product but also serve as a promotional tool. So what will be your answer for that 17th question? It is an important function of marketing which is important not only for the protection of the product but also for serve as a promotional tool. Protection. So under this packaging only we can give as the answer because it gives protection and also for handling the product from one place to another, isn't it? So that is the right answer we can choose. 17th, packaging is the right answer. Moving to the 18th question. As a part of regulation to be followed by advertisers, the advertisement for a new brand of baby product for infants provides important information for potential buyers that it is not recommended for infants under the age of 4 months. Which dimension of business environment is highlighted in the above statement? Sometimes after reading the advertisement we may feel that That question is from the marketing management area, but it is from the business environment area. We have to identify which one is the right answer, why we are giving such comments in the products. Cigarette smoking is injurious to health, like that, why we are giving that warnings. As a part of legal environment, we are giving that type of comments over the product. Okay, so that is related to legal environment. So 18th question, answer is legal environment. The principle of management given by Fayol, which aims at preventing overlapping of activities. So it's the question from the chapter principle of management. So what is the answer? The principle put forward by Henry Fayol is mentioned there. We have to identify the principle which aims at preventing overlapping of activities. Which one will be more suitable? Either it is division of work, unity of command, unity of direction, order. Actually, when we are getting a proper direction, we are not performing on any other jobs given by any other party. If we are obedient, we are getting the proper, we have the proper authority responsibility relationship, we will move in the direction of the head of the organization. The answer is what? There will be no overlapping of activities also. The answer, it will be unity of direction. Don't get confused from that 4 attributes. Then 20th question, dash ensures that the subordinate perform tasks on behalf of the manager, thereby reducing his workload and providing him with more time to concentrate on important matters. What is that aspect mentions in the above paragraph? We have to identify that when we are transferring our authority to somebody else, that will reduce our workload, isn't it? And we can concentrate in the core activities of the business. So only through delegation of authority it is possible. That is ensuring reducing the workload of the top management. So answer, it is delegation of authority. 21st question, dash is a process of classification of products into different groups on the basis of some important characteristics such as quality, size, etc. So here the question is related to our marketing management. What is the answer we have to choose? It is the process of, remember, classification of product means what? Grading, isn't it? Based on their size, quality, if we are classifying or categorizing some product, that is known as grading. So the answer, it is B, grading. 22nd question, the sum total of all individuals, institutions and other forces that are outside the control of business enterprise, but that may affect its performance, is known as. The question, it is from the chapter business environment, isn't it? So what is that? The meaning of the term business environment is mentioned there, nothing else. The answer, it is business environment. Then 23rd question, name the concept that refers to the number of subordinates that can be effectively managed by a superior and determines the number of levels of management in the organization. The question, it is from the chapter organizing, and what will be your answer for that question, 23rd? Read it once again. What? Name the concept that refers to number of subordinates that can be effectively managed. So that is related to span of management. The concept of span of management is explained in simple statement that mentions the number of subordinates that can be effectively managed by a superior. a single superior. Moving to the next question, the last question in section A. Taylor believed that there was only one best method to maximize efficiently. This method can be developed through study and analysis. Identify the principle of scientific management being discussed above. Read the statement once again. The method can be developed through study and analysis. Which principle of scientific management is mentioned here? Remember, 4 important principles of scientific management put forward by F.W. Taylor is given in the answer. So we have to give more importance. Method developed through study and analysis, that is related to science, not rule of thumb, isn't it? Whatever may be the method adopted, we have to find out the positive and negative aspect of that method. Then only we have to implement it. So my dear students, this is the 24 question in section A. You have to attempt any 20 questions. So moving to the section B, just look at that. All the questions are MCQ questions in section A. In section B, 25th question. India has launched its most advanced geoimaging satellite, which will allow better imaging the country 4 to 5 times a day. The satellite is capable of near real-time monitoring of floods and cyclones. The factor constituting the business environment being discussed above is. So the question it is from the chapter business environment. What is the suitable answer? You remember the satellite and other things mentioned here, it is related to technological innovation, isn't it? Which will help the monitoring of floods and cyclones. So here that type of satellites is much suitable for our business activities also. So the answer we can bring, it is technological environment. C, technological environment. 26th question. Which step in the process of planning will precede the step in which the manager is required to make certain assumptions about the future? Which are the base material upon which the plans are drawn? Steps in planning is mentioned here. Question is from the chapter planning. Steps in planning is mentioned there. So what is the precede step? You know, here we have to mention the first step in planning process, that is setting objectives. Only based on that other steps coming. Okay, so the first step it is mentioned there in the statement, setting objectives. 27th question. Availability and affordability of the product were considered to be the key to the success of a firm. Identify the concept of marketing management highlighted by this statement. Remember, availability and affordability of product is mentioned here. Availability and affordability means what? We need the maximum number of products for distribution. So the marketing management concept mentioned here, it is production concept. Kindly read the explanation regarding other philosophical concept of marketing. 28th question. Aiming to receive Jammu and Kashmir's attraction as a top location for film shooting, the Jammu and Kashmir Film Policy 2021 offers a host of incentives to the filmmakers, such as subsidies and long-term interest rates for films with patriotic and certain other themes shot in Jammu and Kashmir, for giving work opportunities to local artists, etc. This will have an impact on business enterprise in the state. Which component of business environment is highlighted in the above paragraph? Just look at that, go through the important points, and the impact on business enterprise in the state. That type of policies will help for the economic development of that particular area that is mentioned in the paragraph, isn't it? By giving that Jammu and Kashmir film policy, it will bring maximum development for the economic situation, socio-economic status of that people in that particular region. So economic environment is mentioned in that paragraph. 28th question, C, economic environment is the answer. The topper group is looking to make a foray into manufacturing of semiconductors, and it has set up a business to seize the business opportunity and add it to its prospects in the long run. The company has already pivoted into a number of new projects like electronics, 5G network equipments, as well as semiconductors. Which economic objective of management does the business seek to fulfill? Read the statement. If it is not understandable for you, please read it once again and find the answer. Remember the keywords we have to identify from the statement, which will add to the prospects in the long run. So it is related to prospects in the long run means what? Growth of the organization is mentioned in the above paragraph. Economic objective, it includes growth of the organization, it is mentioned there. So answer it is B, growth. Then 30th question, product cost set the lower limits of the price, the utility provided by the product and the intensity of demand of the buyers sets the upper limit. So in case of inelastic demand, total revenue dash when price increases, whether it will rises, whether it will falls, whether it will be constant or both A and B. You know very well the theory of demand is you have learned in economics, just it is connected here related to our product cost. So total revenue rises when price increases, isn't it? So answer we can choose A, it will increase. Then 31st question, a manager in a conscious manner has to ensure that even where members of a department willingly cooperate, coordination gives direction to the willing spirit. The characteristics of coordination being highlighted above is. So, my dear students, this question is from the chapter first one, Nature and Significance of Management, and the last topic, coordination, is there. Remember, definitely there will be one question in the board exam from this area, like the same. So keep in mind the important or characteristics of the points of which we have to mention regarding coordination. So which one is most suitable here? What is the answer for the 31st question? Whether it is coordination is the responsibility of all managers, coordination is a deliberate function, coordination integrates group efforts, coordination is a continuous process. Which one is the suitable answer? Actually, the explanation given in the above statement, it is related to coordination is a deliberate function. Please read the passage in your textbook. 32nd question. Two statements are there. We have to choose from that option after reading it very carefully. Question is from the area, from the chapter organizing. First statement is what? Accountability can be delegated. You have to think very critically to answer these type of questions. Actually, accountability, it cannot be transferred, isn't it? When we are getting a job, we are accountable to the superior. It cannot be transferred to any other. Then, second statement, responsibility can be delegated completely. That statement also false. We are not able to transfer or delegate the responsibility completely to another, isn't it? When we are getting an assignment, we are giving that assignment or work to another also, we are responsible for the top. So both the statements are incorrect. We can choose D as the answer. So please remember the statement in these forms we can expect in the board exam also. So kindly remember all these things. Question number 33. The CEO of Radha Cycles Private Limited, Mr. Kumar, wants to get maximum output from the employees at a competitive cost. On the other hand, Ramakant, an employee of the company, wants to get the maximum salary while working the least. The principle of management given by Fayol being violated by Ramakant is. Which principle of management is violated here? Kindly read it. Once again, 33. What will be the answer? Which principle is violated in the above paragraph? You know the principle. Whenever we are working in an organization as an employee, we have to give more importance for the goals of the organization, for the common interest, not our personal interest. So the principle violated here, it is subordination of individual interest to general interest. A simple question, we can find out the answer very easily. 34. Arrange the following steps in the process of organizing in the correct sequence. The steps in organizing is mentioned here. You know very well which one is right answer. Keep in mind all the steps in different chapters, especially the functions of management. So, what will be the answer here? Identification and division of work comes first, isn't it? That comes first. Then departmentization is the second process. Assigning duties to that parties of that department is third process. Establishing relationship is the last process. So B is the right answer. Keep in mind the different steps. 35th. The production department at Karishma Limited, a firm manufacturing ready-made garments for men, has an objective to increase production by 10%, but the sales department does not approve of the increase in production till changes are brought about in the product to incorporate latest fashion. These kinds of conflicts brings to the light the following importance of the force that can help to accomplish the linking of activities of various departments. Which aspect is mentioned in this above paragraph? Do you know the difference? The concept of functional differentiation. Different departments are framed based on that various activities in an organization. So answer it is functional differentiation. Please read more regarding that concept. Moving to the 36th question from chapter planning. Planning requires logical and systematic thinking rather than guesswork. The feature of planning being referred to the above statement is what? whether it is a continuous process, whether it is a futuristic, whether it is pervasive, whether it is a mental exercise. You know, logical and systematic thinking that comes from the bottom of our mind, isn't it? So, planning is a mental exercise is mentioned in that above statement. 37. Silico Limited has appointed the former consulting executive of Sri Shakti Limited, Rajan Bhal, as its vice president. What will be his basic task? Consulting executive is the post. What is the basic task? Read the options. To integrate diverse elements and coordinate activities of different departments, to carry out plans formulated by top managers, to oversee the efforts of the workforce, helps to maintain quality of output. Actually, as a vice president, as its vice president means what? That top level authorities. Remember the function of top level authorities. Answer we can bring more suitable answer is what? To integrate diverse elements and coordinate activities of different departments. That is the most suitable answer. That is related to top level management. So A is the answer. The marketing management philosophy, which is based on the premise that any activity which satisfies human needs but does not pay attention to the ethical and ecological aspect of marketing cannot be justified is known as. So the question is related to marketing management philosophy. You remember here they are giving more importance regarding which aspect, which concept, marketing concept, and read the statement. Human needs does not pay attention. Answer we can bring social marketing concept. Kindly remember, definitely there will be one question in the board exam from this marketing management philosophy also. We can expect maximum questions, no? 39. Ravi joined a marketing firm as a sales manager. On his first day in the company, during the orientation program, the CEO of the company told Ravi that he will have to simultaneously perform the functions of management all the time. You know the functions of management: planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. Which characteristics of management has the CEO referring to? Management is a continuous process, management is all pervasive, management is multi-dimensional, management is goal-oriented. Remember the point we can give: simultaneously perform the functions of management means what? Management is a continuous process is mentioned in that paragraph. So remember the answer it is A. Management is a continuous process. 40th question. Unlike profession such as medicine or law, which require a practicing doctor or lawyer to possess valid degrees, nowhere in the world is it mandatory for a manager to possess any such professional degree. Identify the characteristics of the profession being discussed above, which is not being strictly met by management. Remember, which is not being strictly met by the manager. So what will be the answer? Well-defined body of knowledge, restricted entry, professional association, ethical code of conduct. So in the case of management as a profession, there is no restricted entry. There is a restriction for medicine and law through the entrance exam, but that type of restriction is not available in our MBA or any other things. Okay. 41. Following a pre-decided plan, when circumstances have changed, may not turn out to be in the organization's interest. The limitation of planning being referred to in the above statement is. This is also the predictable area of question, limitations of planning, importance of planning. So read the statement to get more clarity once again and find the best answer for that question. 41. When circumstances have changed, may not turn out to be in the organization's interest, isn't it? So the planning leads to rigidity sometimes. That is the point mentioned in the statement. Actually, planning is flexible on importance. We have learned the attributes we have learned, but most of the time it will be rigid. The management will stick on the plan which is made by the top level management. So that is on limitation. So that question is from that chapter, first chapter, Nature and Significance of Management. Another question from the Principles of Management, 42. The technique of scientific management given by Taylor, which aims to establish the interchangeability of manufactured parts and product is. Please find the suitable answer, whether it is method study, motion study, standardization, differential piecewise system. Which one was the most suitable answer? We have to give more importance for these words. So it is mentioned there regarding the technique of standardization. Okay, remember that technique. Then 43, the following two statements choose the correct option. First statement, advertising is an impersonal form of communication. You know very well it is right, isn't it? Advertising, it is impersonal form of communication. Then advertising lacks direct feedback. That also right, isn't it? We are watching the advertisement in mobile and also in television and other platforms, but there is no facility to collect the feedback from the customer directly. So both the statements are correct. We can choose C as the answer. I hope it is clear. Then moving to the 44th question. KTX Group is rolling out an initiative to help create wealth for its employees through the implementation of employee stock option. Remember, employee stock option actually it is related to accounting for share capital. When the management wants to motivate the workers, employees, they will give share to them. That is employee stock option plan, ESOP. Through motivation and leadership, the management will help the individual to develop team spirit, cooperation and commitment to the success of the group. The following importance of management is highlighted here. What is that? Management helps in achieving personal objective. Management helps in the development of society. Management creates a dynamic organization. Management increases efficiency. So the most suitable answer, just look at that. Management will help the individual to develop team spirit and cooperation, commitment, success of the group. So all that things are related to management helps in achieving their personal objective. Personal objective. Answer is A. Then 45th question. If there is a plan to increase production, then more labor or machinery will be required. These steps in the process of planning will involve organizing for labor and purchase of machinery. Identify the steps in the planning process being discussed above. So question it is from the chapter planning. Whether it is identifying alternative course of action, selecting objective, selecting an alternative, setting objective, selecting an alternative, implementing the plan. So here they give more importance for the steps in the process of planning will involve organizing for labor and purchase of machinery. Means what? Implementing the plan is mentioned in this statement. Implementing the plan is mentioned. 46. Another question from the techniques of management. Taylor proposed 8 specialists from whom each worker will have to take orders from as part of the technique of functional foremanship specified by him. Those with the technical mastery, intelligence and grit may be given dash work. Those with the energy and good health may be assigned dash work. So, what is the point you can choose for this question? So, remember that those with the technical mastery and intelligence. Intelligence is related to thinking. No? Thinking is related to predicting the future, and we can select what? We can keep the word planning for that. Then those who with the energy and good health may be assigned the dash work. Execution of the project, isn't it? So the answer it is A, planning and execution is mentioned in the statement. 47. Another MCQ questions. Just look at that, my dear students. Almost all the questions are MCQs, what we have discussed up to this time. A person feeling hungry may get food by offering to give money or some other product or service in return to someone who is willing to accept the same for food. The important feature of marketing illustrated above is what? Whether it is exchange mechanism, customer value, creating a market offering, need and wants. Just look at that. Offering what? A person's feeling hungry may get food by offering to give money or some other product or service in return. We have to keep in mind that point. In return to someone who is willing to accept the same for food. That is related to exchange mechanism, isn't it? It is related to the concept of exchange mechanism of marketing. Moving to the last question in section B, it is an assertion reasoning question. Very simple question related to the chapter planning. Read the assertion very carefully. A simple statement. Planning is futuristic. You know very well it is one of the feature of management mentioned. And please find the reason is right and try to connect the reason with the assertion. Means you have to find the relation between. Is there any direct relation between the first statement and second statement? Means the explanation given as the reason is more suitable for the assertion. You have to find out, then you can choose the right answer, isn't it? Planning is concerned with the future which is certain and does not require forecast. Assertion is right, isn't it? Planning is futuristic, but the reason it is incorrect. It is incorrect. Planning is concerned with the future which is uncertain, not certain, and it requires forecast. That is the right explanation. So we can choose the answer. Assertion is correct, reason is incorrect. Kindly practice more and more questions, then only you will get the experience to solve the problem or to find the answer within 2 minutes. So that are the thing regarding questions from 1 to 48. Remember, only one assertion reasoning question and others are MCQ. And moving to the section C, we have to read the paragraph and we have to answer the questions from 49 to 54. So every time when you read these type of questions, please read it very carefully. Only one minute or maximum 1 minute you can take to read it. Never take another opportunity to read it again. While reading, make it clear the meaning of the whole statements. Sarathi, the name has been associated with the manufacturing and sale of fashion products since 1960. When Kapil Sarathi opened his first retail fashion clothing outlet in Ahmedabad. Sarathi Cosmetics was incorporated in India in 1940 and became a member of the S&M family of companies in 1959. Sarathi Perfumes began operations in Gujarat in an existing administrative S&M facility in 1985. An important difference between S&M and most other companies is that instead of operating as one large corporation, its operation is as 180 smaller companies and each focused on specific product and area, implying selective dispersal of authority, recognizing the decision makers needed for autonomy. As a decision making authority is pushed down the chain of command, it enables the company to maintain short lines of communication with the customers and employees and accelerate development of talent. So my dear students, whenever we are reading these type of paragraphs, we have to mark the important words to get the attention and also for get the correct answer for the questions given below. So identify, 49th question, identify the philosophy that is being followed by F&M through which it is dividing the decision making responsibility among the hierarchical levels. So the question it is from the chapter organizing. Find the answers whether it is delegation of authority, decentralization of authority, division of work, span of management. Read the marked point. Remember that it is regarding decision making responsibility. Actually, it is related to decentralization of authority. Decision making responsibility given to the other subordinates. So, answer we can choose, it is B. Why is there need to apply the philosophy being followed by S&M with caution? Why they are following that marketing management or that organizational philosophy? Whether it is as it can be cause a delay in communication, as it can cause disintegration of the organization, as it can increase the workload of the top management, as it can reduce the chance of growth of the firm. What is the reason they are implementing or following that philosophy? Answer we can choose for the 50th question, it can cause disintegration of the different departments in an organization. That is why they are following the philosophy. So B is the answer. 51. The application of the philosophy discussed above can foster a sense of competition among the departments, which in turn will help the firm in the following manner. Whether it is facilitate growth, better control, relief to the top management, quick decision making. So due to the application of that philosophy in the organization, that will help for what? That will help for the maximum growth of the organization. So A is the answer for that question, facilitates growth. Then 52. Quote the line from above which highlights the importance of the philosophy towards providing management education to employees. Management education to employees. Providing management education to employees. Which line is more suitable for that? Maintain short lines of communication, Only through communication, nothing is possible. No, education, it only limits, certain limits are there. Accelerate the development of talent. Selective disposal of authority will never develop any education to employees. Recognizes decision makers' need for authority also will never make any development for the employees. Look at that. This statement is more suitable for the question. Accelerate the development of talent of the employees is related to management education. So B is the answer. As the decision making authority is pushed down the chain of command at S&M Enterprise, it provides the benefit of decision making to the organization because decision making authority is given to the others, to the subordinates. So what is the best answer we can choose for that? There is no requirement of approval from many levels. Organization is able to generate more return. There were innovative performance systems. It's a means of management education. So through the push downing of the decision making authority, there is no requirement for approval from any other parties, any authorities. We can take our own decision. So A is the answer. There is no requirement for approval from many levels in an organization. 54. The philosophy being followed by S&M is not followed by most other companies. This tells us that the philosophy is optional, compulsory, limited to superior and his subordinate, merely done to lessen the burden of the manager. You know, each philosophy related to management of an organization, it is the choice of that particular organization, isn't it? So here also answer we can choose, it is optional, it is not compulsory. So A is the answer. Then 55. Another case-based question, a single case-based question. Mohammad Khanjwal, a beekeeper since April 2021, is now part of the growing tribe of at least 50 urban dwellers across Maharashtra, raising bees and harvesting honey in their balconies, rooftops, and back gardens. As he had been focused on eating right, the thought of domesticating honeybees to promote healthy consumption habits and seeing honey being cultivated right before his eyes was mesmerizing for him. Identify the factor constituting general environment being discussed in the above paragraph. Actually, it is related to some social aspects is mentioned in the paragraph. So the answer we can choose related to, nothing is mentioned regarding the economic development of that area, technological development of the area. Nothing is explained in the paragraph regarding the political influence also. So that is why we can choose the answer B, social environment. Another case-based question, 56. Solo, a marketer of cars having 40% of the current market share of the country, aims at increasing the market share to 70% in the next few years. For achieving this objective, the manager of the company specified the action program covering various aspects. Identify the function of marketing discussed in the above paragraph. What is that? Whether it is customer support service? Nothing. Gathering and analyzing of market information? It is not. Product designing and development? No. So the thing mentioned in the above paragraph, it is, just look at that, the specified action program. It is related to marketing planning. So answer it is D, marketing plan. Question number 57. Style and Fit, a footwear manufacturing company, has decided to offer 50% off on all its products due to the fall in the demand of its products as more efficient substitutes have been introduced in the market. Identify the pricing objective included by the firm which has made the firm resort to the discounting its products. Why they stick on or given more importance for discounting their product. So what will be your answer? For what purpose? Obtaining market share leadership, surviving in the competitive market, attaining product quality leadership, protect the interest of people? Nothing, isn't it? Their product's demand is falling. So they want to survive in the market. That is why they deducted the price of the product. They given discount. So answer is B, surviving in the competitive market. Question number 58. A sanitizer manufacturing company wants to become a market leader. For this purpose, the manager follows an activity with certain logical steps. The first step suggested by him is to increase profit by at least 30% in the next quarter. What will be the last step of the activity being followed by the manager? Actually, there also the steps in planning is mentioned. Just look at that. What is the weightage we have to give for that chapter and also for that area? In planning, we can give more importance for the topic steps in planning or process of planning. So 58th with the answer. Last step of that activity will be what? Last steps in planning is follow-up action, isn't it? That is the right answer. 59. In Shailen Private Limited, there is one head Shailen who has 2 lines of authority under her. One line consists of Sarah Rajat, Abhishek Ismail Kreis, and another line of authority means 5 people are there under one control. And another line of authority under Shailen is Lada, Rupa, Geeta, Hussain, Preeti. According to a principle of management given by Fayol, if Ismail has to communicate with Hussain, who is at the same level of authority, then illustrate the route he will have to traverse. So the principle of scalar chain is explained here, and he can depend upon this line of communication. So please think about that concept scalar chain, and the answer is A. So my dear students, moving to the last one, 60th question. According to the technique of scientific management, differential piece wage system, how much more will be a worker making 60 units earn as compared to a worker making 49 units? If the standard output per day is 50 units and those who make standard output more than the standard get 75 per unit and those who below will get 65 per unit. So here we have to find out the maximum one person will get as per the scientific management technique, differential piece wage system. So what will be your answer? What will be the answer? How much more will a worker making 60 units earn as compared to a worker making 59 units? You have to find the amount as per the number of products into the product per unit, price per the amount per unit, and calculate the amount. You will get the answer 1350. Okay, this is the end for the section, and kindly remember the different patterns of questions what we have discussed. Definitely we will get almost the same pattern question in the board exam. Practice maximum MCQs. Definitely there will be an increase in the number of assertion reasoning question and also case based question. CBSE does not stick on the same pattern of sample question. there will be some alterations also. But give the maximum weightage for the chapter as per the analysis. Remember the weightage what we have to give, isn't it? So kindly remember, more weightage should be given for the chapter marketing management, organizing, planning, then comes the nature and significance of management, then comes the principle of management and business environment. So thank you for your patient listening. Thank you for the day.